back at the Royal Parks level crossing. I can't remember the street name of this crossing. I don't know what the street is. But, well, I do not remember if the I think the gate mechanism has been updated here, because it doesn't look like it looks like they've replaced them, but can't remember. Looks like they've replaced the gate mechanism, because I don't think they were here last time, but I can't remember what was here when I was here last. Still got the original pole with thing there. Looks like they've updated the gate mechanisms. The gate's not updated though, so I'm not sure if it's updated. It's been updated, looks like it. So it means from here last, it looks like that's been updated from when I was here last. So I don't know if they're new or old. I don't know. Before the train should rise at Royal Park, I just looked back on the old video of mine I did when I was here last on YouTube. I just noticed the gates have not been changed, so I think they must have been maybe they're being repainted. I'm not sure. I thought they were white when I was here last, maybe they're not. But I've got my hybrid bell here. Down upfield trains not too far from Royal Parks. Whenever it comes, I'll turn the hybrid on, and it will ring when the gate's in operation.
Don't touch my phone now. It's coming now because I can hear it. It's coming now.
I'll fire it up a bit on the next train. Coming on the down upfield service. I know exactly where the track circuit block is, so whenever the train enters the section I can watch it clear in the wire, and when it clears the wire it triggers. In 2 minutes time the upfield service is going to arrive at Royal Park. Hopefully this I'll get a better activation on the hybrid bell this time round. I'm standing with the camera so I can watch where the train is. Try to arrive at Royal Park shortly. Stay with my camera, please, Mum. phone?
316, because it's not asking me. That's good, buddy. You do it remote control.
Now, when they move up trains, it doesn't deactivate certain train, it's just a block. Sitting in the platform. So we're going to try for this. I'm going to walk out and go and turn it off and just go over here. The e-bell is small louder than the high, but it's hard to hear when the two are ringing. Down, upfield service arriving shortly.
I'll stop going yet. Oh, I don't know. I'm filming. I want to see us go down now. Trying to get the food back right.
Simmons on the down upfield service now. I've only just tuned up this highway bar after doing that lead the other month when I was filming the Steve. I've only just tuned it back up to sound better again.